Pleated maxi skirt with elastic waistband. Welcome back to Nikki Handmade YouTube channel. Here is the starting line. I'm marking that on my pattern paper. All we need here is the hip measurement divided by 4, which I'm imputing here, is 12 inches. The length of my pattern paper is 38 inches length. When I'm done with the drafting, I will complete the full length on my fashion fabric to complete the length of my skirt. Then here at the hem part, I'm imputing the same hip measurement divided by 4, 12 inches there. Connect it up a straight line using my ruler to connect the dot upward. Then after that, at the hem part of this, here I'm going to mark 12 inches extra for the flare of my skirt. You can reduce yours, okay? Connect it to the waistline like you see me do. And we're done with this pattern. Go ahead and cut. Then at this part is the cutting unfold. We're going to cut 2 pieces of this, front and back. We are using stretchy fabric here. Both ways are stretchy. You can see when you come very close, you see the tiny plates on it. At the down part, I'm not going to hem it. Then the next one is the elastic band we are using for this. Mine is 1 inch. I need 2 inches elastic here. I have to stitch it with a zigzag machine to complete my 2 inches width elastic. I've placed my pattern on a fashion fabric. The length I completed with 4 inches. Go ahead and cut this side. I'm cutting the top part of it. All we need to do now, when I'm done cutting this, I'm going to use this space to cut out the remaining one like you see me do. Then after cutting that, I will take you through the process and how I stitch that on my machine. This fabric is kind of stretchy a lot, but you see how I carefully place it like so, stitching that so I can be able to get a straight stitches. I'm careful here. Like I said, the fabric is kind of stretchy. I have to be very careful so I can get a good result. Then when I'm done with that, I move over to the next side, the other side, and continue with my stitches. You can see here, I'm trying to keep it well so you can get a nice neat finishing. When I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and backstitch my stitches and we're done. And the next one is the waist part of this. We're going to gather that using our elastic band. Okay, you can see the two sides is very neat. Over to our elastic. The measurement I use for my elastic, I deduct 2 inches from my waist circumference. Okay, here I'm marking 4 sides so I can be able to place it on a skirt to get a neat finishing. That is what I'm marking right now. Then when I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and notch for my skirt part, the 4 side. I use a pin to hold it and move over to a machine and stitch. I would like you to watch very closely and see how I'm stretching it as I'm stitching that. The same process if you are making a boxer. This is how you're going to make this, okay? When I'm done with that, beautiful. This is our skirt, an elastic. All you need to do now is go ahead and search the inside of it. Use overlocking machine for the finishing inside. I did not hem the down part. We are done for this tutorial. If you really find my tutorial helpful, share my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have done so, thank you for sticking with me. And thank you so much for your time. See you next time on my next video. I'm still making handmade. Bye bye for now.